Skechers, you like me, my Gucci shoes. I'll buy you the pass only if you show me your boobs. I like you Skechers, you like me too. Bring your friends, all of us in the.
I found myself in a shit position. The man that I'm with set me down. Your hair's cute.
Thank you.
Are you tired? What's wrong? Something.
Yeah.
We're not cousin lovers no more.
We are.
Forever.
It's our cousin.
I aspire to be like Trailer Trash Timmy.
Are you still on FaceTime? Are you sleeping? I wake up.
Wake up, shawty boy. He's on mute. I think he was not being able to sleep because I'm not with him. So he called me. Be an astronaut.
Must be nice.
Does anyone want this? Well, I'm serious. Oh, I don't know. What is
I
that?
don't know, but can you take it, please? Sophie, do you want the sausage?
No, I'm okay.
You want this biscuits and gravy?
No, I'm okay.
Can you hand me my McDonald's drink? No, I'm
No, I'm
okay. You hear my stomach? My stomach's bubbling. My stomach's bubbling. You haven't seen that dude on Facebook? Mary?
No.
I mean, Cammy.
Just call me Mary.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oopsie. My
Okay,
aunt's name
okay,
is
Kimberly.
I have an aunt named Mary Davis. Bro, I was telling Tommy about that whole thing and he was dying.
About what?
That whole shenanigan. I was like, yeah. Me and Cammy want to be Facebook Karens.
So we made it.
She's never got rid of it.
I have it. I still post on it.
Oh no.
I've had it since January 2021.
How does that bitch not see, like, I don't know, somebody's
could
doing
go
it
to
on my
jail.
picture. I'll go to jail with you. I'm like, it was my idea.
She made me. I just post on it.
Where'd you get the pictures, Cammy?
I got a beer belly.
Me too. No, because you're looking mighty skinny. Skinny queen.
Look at me. I just got that you called me Mary.
That just came out of my... I just got that you called me Mary. That's what I said, Mary. I mean Cammy.
Don't touch the sausage patty. Sophie.
Sophie,
There's
who
juice
was
on
here?
your-
What?
Who was here? What's on your blanket?
What do you mean?
Look.
I just almost threw up.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
You know.
I'm on the radio. I mean Mexican. You really can't hand me my drink, please? It's right there. You don't even have to move.
This is mine.
Krista, yours is over there, I think.
No, that one's Sophie's. That one's yours over there, Sophie. Switch me. I put mine over there when I sat down. And you made me move. I love this room. I'm glad that you got the bigger room now. I'm more bigger, happier with bigger space. I feel like a damn dinosaur. And I got rolls now.
A
Because
dinosaur?
I ate. Because I'm peeling like a snake. I'm
That
a
rhymes.
reptilian.
Do you mean a reptile?
That's a reptilian. That's it. Hello?
I'm looking for her weight. She said, I'm not fucking telling you.
I'm not fucking telling you. Bro, why'd that make us die so
I
hard?
So
When I'm sad, sometimes I watch our poop juice videos.
really.
They make me happy.
Till
I've been
they're
trying to show
funny.
Tommy them, but he's like, cool. I'm like, babe, fucking watch it. She's a good editor. Watch 'em. He
I
don't be
am a
caring.
good editor.
He don't be caring, so I just be watching.
I'm gonna put some pictures of him and see if he'll notice. Look at her.
Yeah.
Remember that YouTube video of Ava whispering in my ear, and I'm like,
Remember when you got shocked by your coffee? It was literally
Shark Boy and Lava.
It was your coffee was literally shocking me.
like it was jumping up and
it
touching my
would
lip.
No, guys, Sophie.
Froggy face.
Yeah.
I said Shark Boy and Lava Girl, and that's what you put over your eye.
One time, Krista got a coffee and it shocked her. It jumped out of the water.
The water.
No, I swear to God, it literally jumped in to hit your lip, like punched
Like
it.
I drink the coffee like this because they didn't give us straws. As soon as my lip would not even touch the drink yet, it would jump up and shock me.
I would. Why is there a dent in my forehead?
It's from the firework.
Oh my God, that hurt really bad. I got hit by I forgot I got hit by a firework.
I just grabbed Callie by the head and ran. I literally grabbed her. She sat on my lap. And it exploded and went off. Grabbed her by her head and just carried her in.
I know. It literally exploded in between my ankles.
I know. Danny, are you okay? Are you
Did you
okay?
say Danny?
What is it?
Annie?
Danny, are you okay?
I'm wearing a
Damn.
picture. Damn, Daniel.
Didn't I buy that?
This is Sophie's. I just
Yeah,
don't have
it
any
is.
clothes.
There you go. You want some shorts to sleep in, Kimmy?
I'll just sleep in these.
But I have a couple pairs. Those are all clean right there. Look, I just did my laundry.
I like your new setup. Are those all the clothes you have?
Some of them, all my summer clothes mainly, are at my Nana's house. But she put them in her garage, so they have to dig
She has a
through
garage.
the trailer park's garage. Sophie, do you have a charger or no?
I do. You can use it. You do the most random stuff.
I'm sorry, I was just daydreaming.
Huh? Sophie, come here. Yeah, come here.
Alright, ladies.
Sophie, come. We're trying to talk to you. Sophie, we're trying to talk to you. We're trying to tell you something.
Double fucks. You know the bitch with your rats? Let me do it. One of them. No, Kimmy, watch this video that I seen the other day with her in it.
Scared.
It was the way she did. I farted.
It tickles my butt cheeks, bagels.
I said bagels.
Krista. We have a mouse slave.
Put a Chuck E. Cheese right here. Kenneth Bennett. she shit in our pool in Florida. You don't remember that? When we went on vacation with her and her family because my parents paid for it, and she shit in our pool.
I don't remember that.
Yeah, but
Story time.
that guy
Ask us questions below.
comment down below. Let us know
Comment down
what you
below.
want to do. I got a
Girl, I was gonna
boy
sing that.
crush.
I got a crush.
Hate to admit it, babe.
I got a
Rush. It's slowing down. Hello.
And then he was always like,
Tammy, I need your charger. Chicky. I got it
real bad.
Want
every
Yeah.
Why is there a dent in my
'Cause
head?
it's quick.
Because there's a dent in my
I'm
head.
tired.
I'm not. I'm looking for her to wait.
Who that is?
Who that boy? Who that is?
Oh.
Stafford. You know him? Do you? Stop, creep.
I'm the creep, but yeah, we got motherfucking Mickey over here.
I work at Mod Pizza. I walk there every day.
I'm a mod. Remember he got those stickers? He got those stickers for work that said, I'm a mod. And he was giving them to the girls thinking he was cool.
Bruh, I remember he'd walk to work and we saw him walking one day. We had to
To ride his bike. Remember one time I literally watched him sprint to work.
Okay, vlog. We're just gonna chillax now. Say bye.
Comment down below if you want us to come back onto YouTube.
Yeah, no promises though. But
At all. Sorry guys.
yeah, sorry, bye.
Bye. What up everybody? Kristen's crying. Look at Sophie.
Wait, we gotta stop being loud.
No reason
it should be that heavy.
Guess I'm sitting back in.
I'm gonna need to make a